Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover Proton Mail account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and go to Proton Mail. Once you've done that, click on this sign in button right over here. Go ahead and enter your email, username, and when you don't actually have your password or you forgot it and you want to recover it, all you need to do is just click on this trouble sign in button and click on forgot password. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and enter the email or username one more time. It's better to go ahead and write your email and click on next. Once you do that, Proton Mail is going to go ahead and send you let me just go ahead and show it to you. So for example, you put your username and click on continue, and now it's gonna simply go ahead and help you to recover it when you have other accounts connected to your Proton. So for example, if you have your Gmail connected to it, then you can recover it through your Gmail. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.